Ever wonder how your daily diet impacts your health, or how the foods you eat can help fight off diseases like cancer? Well, the food we consume plays a pivotal role in maintaining our health and warding off diseases. And when it comes to cancer, certain foods have powerful properties that can help keep this dreaded disease at bay. So, it's crucial to include these cancer-fighting foods in our diet. In this video, we will explore 7 powerful cancer-fighting foods that you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. First on our list are berries, nature's tiny powerhouses. These small but mighty fruits are brimming with antioxidant properties. Antioxidants play a vital role in preventing cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals in our bodies. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it, they've all got it. Including a variety of berries in your diet can significantly enhance your body's ability to fight off cancer. So make sure to sprinkle some berries on your cereal or yogurt for a healthy cancer-fighting meal. Next up is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that's a potent weapon against cancer. This green powerhouse is packed with sulforaphane and indoles, compounds that have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Sulforaphane targets cancer stem cells, which are often responsible for cancer recurrence, while indoles help detoxify the body, reducing the risk of numerous cancers. Broccoli also boasts a high fiber content, which aids in digestion, further reducing cancer risk. Remember, the more broccoli on your plate, the better your body can fight against cancer. Ever think of walnuts as a cancer-fighting food? Well, they are. These mighty nuts are packed with potent anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that walnuts can play a significant role in preventing certain types of cancer, particularly breast and prostate cancer. They're rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been linked to cancer prevention. So, why not make your meals even healthier and tastier? Add a handful of walnuts to your meals for a tasty and cancer-fighting addition. Garlic isn't just for warding off vampires, it can also keep cancer at bay. This potent bulb is brimming with compounds like allicin and selenium. Allicin, a compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped, has been found to halt the growth of cancer cells. Selenium, a trace mineral present in garlic, plays a critical role in our immune system's function, further helping to prevent cancer. So don't shy away from adding a bit of garlic to your meals for its powerful anti-cancer benefits. Pomegranates, the jewel of fruits, also have cancer-fighting properties. This vibrant fruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants, even surpassing red wine and green tea in antioxidant activity. These antioxidants, particularly elagitannins, are believed to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, helping to keep the disease at bay. Pomegranates also contain a compound called punicic acid, which is known for its anti-inflammatory effects. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a pomegranate. Enjoy a glass of pomegranate juice or sprinkle some seeds over your salad for a cancer-fighting boost. Beans, a humble and versatile food, are also on our list of cancer-fighting foods. Packed with fiber, beans aid in the prevention of colorectal cancer. The fiber content keeps your digestive system healthy and reduces the risk of cancerous growths. Plus, beans are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals which are known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. From black beans to kidney beans, each variety offers unique health benefits. So, don't forget to include beans in your meals for their powerful cancer-fighting punch. As we've seen, the foods we eat can play a significant role in preventing cancer. Let's recap. Berries, broccoli, walnuts, garlic, pomegranates, and beans each bring unique cancer-fighting properties to the table. Incorporating these foods into your meals is a delicious and nutritious way to bolster your body's defenses. But let's not forget, it's not just about adding these foods to your diet, but about maintaining a balanced, healthy diet overall. Stay healthy, eat well, and keep those cancer cells at bay.